now the next topic is how to work in headless mode, um, and why we should use it. So what we have done as of now, if I see the Firefox, this one, we are directly using opening the Firefox browser, right? Uh, UI mode. There is another mode which is called headless mode. Headless means whatever you are doing, which it will not be visible to you. And it is generally faster mode, because when you are opening on the UI mode, it's a bit slow, you know. So how to work with headless? Okay. So for that, you have to see the documentation of browsers. So let's go back to uh, Selenium Dev. Selenium Dev is the official website. Go to the downloads and here we will have browser options. See here, browsers. And it has, documentation for different browsers. So for example, let's say Firefox. Let's say Firefox documentation. So there are different, for different version, different kind of documentation available here. But in the options, you can add the arguments. So let me see Chrome documentation first. Here, mm, yeah, this one is fine, which will show you Chrome for testing and all. And there is a page which is available for, hold on, I will show that to you guys. Hmm. Anyways, you just search in Google Chrome option. Um, let's search. Let's Google. I got it actually somewhere. It was here. Capabilities and Chrome option. This one. This one. So here you will be able to see what are the things you can do. See here. You can, okay, I see the proper documentation. Wait, so these are the documentation for the arguments. So click here and yeah, I'm giving you in chat window. Okay, and here if you see, uh, all the options available, what you can do with the browser. There are a lot of things you can do. We'll use some of these. Okay. So is there anything like headless available? I'm just checking. So yeah, headless. Yes. So you have to put hyphen hyphen headless. That's it. So let's try that now. Okay. So I'm going to the code and here, if you want to add the options, right, you have to write Chrome option, right? So you have to create the object of Chrome options and you can give any name. I'm giving options is equals to new Chrome options. And now you can add different kind of argument, right? All the, or we say options itself. So options dot add argument. Now if you will see, there are different ways to add the options, add argument. One is list of a string you can add. One way is you can add multiple string as an argument. So let's use this one. And here I will say headless. Okay. Now I have put hyphen hyphen headless. Okay, and semicolon. Now let's see what will happen if I'll run this here. No, it has not opened in the headless mode. Okay, it has not opened in the headless mode. So even I'm adding, oh, why it is not doing it? Because I have not added this option in the Chrome driver here as a parameter. Okay, so here, what do you have to do? You have to create the Chrome option and whatever, different ways to handle the browser. One of the ways headless, I have added the argument, and then when you are saying WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver, you know, provide that option. Now, if you will see, it is executing, but it is not showing me anything. Okay. It is not showing me anything. In the background, it is executing. Okay. This background, it is in the background, it is executed. Everything. Fine. Now, what other options you can add? So as of now, I'm not putting headless because you will not be able to see what I'm doing. But have you observed that? Have you observed that when you run this code, this is opening it, but it is not in maximize mode. It is not in maximize mode. It is opening in 3/4 part of the of your screen. So if you want to open it in um, the full screen mode, there are ways like driver dot um, manage window and then maximize. One of the ways that, but otherwise also there are ways. So let's search here, control left, maximize. So start maximized, yes. So you can use this. So whenever your browser will start, it will start in maximized mode. So I can say options dot add argument, and this argument is this. Okay, great. And one more thing you can do, let me copy a code. I was doing something. Just a minute. One more thing you can add, which is, let's say you want to work on incognito mode. That is also possible, right? So I want to work in incognito mode. So here you can do comma and put incognito. So that is also one of the options. What is the syntax of it? Let me see this. Yeah, hyphen hyphen incognito itself. So it will open your browser in incognito mode. Hyphen hyphen incognito. Incognito. Great. Let me copy the code so that you will see that whatever we are doing, where we have done it, all this code, this one, right? So once the browser is opened, I want to do all these things, correct? So you will be able to see in incognito mode, whatever you will do. Okay. A simple thing, you want to open it in maximize mode and as well as incognito. And whatever other options you want to put, there are thousands of options available, right? Which may be helpful for you for a particular kind of testing. It's up to you. So there are a lot of options, guys. It is not just these two options. But as of now, we want to work with maximize mode and incognito mode. It will open Chrome and then it will open Google. It will wait for this and it will perform. all those things. Let's run this. Yes, see here, it has opened in incognito mode. It's showing black color in the background. That means it's incognito mode. Yes, done. Fine. So yeah, it has closed also on its own. Now, same thing. Firefox may be also having private mode. Do you guys know that? Is there any private mode available? Yeah, new private window. Yes. Firefox. Edge also has its own private mode. So same as incognito. So yeah, new private window. Correct, correct. Every browser generally has its kind of incognito mode. Okay. So how to work in that? So let's Google about it. Google.com and we'll see. Open Firefox in private mode, Selenium Java code. See, most of the things, what kind of problem you're facing, somebody has already done it. And so, use your Google query, knowledge to the fullest to get the answer first on your own. It's not very difficult thing. So it's saying in the target field, add hyphen private at the end of program path one way. I think this add argument will work, hyphen private. But I will see what other guys are showing the. I will not see the video, but people have given, answers here. QAautomation.co.in. So it's better you search, you will get it. Okay, in the Quora, somebody has answered also. So you have to do it this way. It's saying add argument hyphen hyphen private. That's it. Let's do that. So for the Firefox code, in this code also, we want to add options, right? So that will be Firefox options. So Firefox options options is equals to new Firefox options. Fine. And in options, we want to say, hey, I want to add the argument. And that argument is hyphen hyphen private. Okay. So it should open in kind of private mode where, cache and cookies are not stored. So it is maybe a particular kind of, okay, let me stop it. This will not work. Basically, you have to add this option here. Once it is done, you have to do in this way. Okay. So let it finish its execution and we will run this again. Okay. I'm running it again. Run as Java application. Yeah, it has opened in a private window this time. Okay. It's Firefox only. So Firefox, if you see in this kind of mode, this kind of icon, it is private mode. Done. Done. Edge also, I think same. So let's go to the edge and do the same thing now. So for this, so don't worry about this code. This is separated. Our task is basically open a browser, correct? Here we'll say edge option, edge options, options is equals to new edge options. Okay. And options dot add argument. And here we'll say private. So this will open the edge private mode. Let's run this. Yeah, So now again, this particular thing you should pass here because now you're opening the Edge browser, but with these options. So we forgot to add it. Now we have added it and we will run this again. Let's run this. Now it's opening. Okay. Same thing. It is not opening in maximize mode. So we will do that. I'm not doing anything. It's happening automatically. Okay. Done. But it has not opened in maximize mode. So what to do for that? Same thing. You can have multiple arguments. Another way is create a list. Whatever argument you want to add, make a list of it. So let's use list from Java util and let list of string and just say browser options is equals to new array list. So pure Java concept. I'm not going into that part, but we are creating list of strings and let's put a lot of options. So dot add will be like adding some options. So we are just creating a list. I'll show you what to do next. So this is one. Okay. And start maximized is another option. So let's delete that. And another browser, another browser option is start maximized, right? So where it is maximized. I think this will work for Firefox also. It should work. But if it will not work, will find out in Firefox what to do. But I'm putting it as of now. And then, okay, okay, we are doing for Edge. That's fine. Let's start maximized. And then instead of, so now we have options dot add argument and then add the whole list of things which you want to do, right? It's done. Now it's fine. So it will open in private mode as well as in maximize mode and it will do all those things. So we are running it now. Yes, it has opened in maximize mode. Great. And the private also. Okay. So it's working. Done. Fine. Um, that's it. But if you want to make sure our code is fine, why not let's Google it again. So we'll say um, open edge in private mode selenium java code. Okay, and in the Google somebody has asked in slack stack overflow. This is a good way to you know if you're finding any problem you can do in this way also. So they are saying if you want to open Edge in private incognito mode, you can use this is C# code, right? I'm finding what will be Selenium code? Yeah, in private also you can write. This is another way. So this is C# code, but I think it's same whether it is C# code or Selenium Java code. I think it should be same. But so the thing is in private you will be writing, right? And any other. I want to see the latest code. That's why I'm worried about opening any particular blog. The thing is, because the things has changed after Selenium 4.1, that's why I was thinking whether to open this particular thing or not. So this is for the Chrome. For the Edge, edge, it's in private. We are doing good. So we did this thing, but this is old code, but it's fine. In private is one of the things. Fine. But it has put just single this thing. Okay. I think we are good. I have one code also. Let me check. Hold on. What we are doing for edge, right? For the edge, it's in private. Yes, it's same. In private. Hyphen in private is good. So we are doing good, but we have written private. It's in private. For edge, especially for the edge, right? It is in private. Okay. Let's run this now. So for different browser, the options which you provide may be different. Now it is in private. See at the left hand side, it is showing in private. Previously it was not. I was thinking it is in private, but it was not. Now it is definitely in private window. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. I'm just showing you options. Okay.